Hi there. I'm going to show you how to read any Excel file in Python with just 3 lines of code. Over here we've got our Excel file just called sales. So in sheet 1 we've got the month, the sales value and the quantity. Sheet 2 we've just got the quarter and the sales over here as well. So just a simple Excel sheet. So let's jump over to Visual Studio. So the first thing we need to do is import the pandas library. So if we just do an import pandas as PD. Okay, so hopefully you've got this installed, but if not, all you need to do is go over to the command prompt and type in pip install pandas. So I've already got it installed, but if you haven't, it will then install after you put this command in, and that's it. So we'll close the command prompt down. So this pandas library is essential for working with data in Python. Next, we need to be able to read the Excel file. So let's create a data frame and we'll use a PD, which is a pandas dot read Excel. Then we'll open the brackets and we'll use an R over here as well. So that's, we use the R before the file path to specify it as a raw string. So that just tells Python to interpret backslashes as literal characters and not as escape characters. Then we'll drop in our file path. To see the output, all we need to do is to print the data frame. So let's have a look at what that output looks like. So this is the output over here now, exactly the same as our Excel sheet. So that's exactly what we were looking for. But what we've also got is sheet 2 here, which it hasn't actually brought that data in. So the reason it hasn't brought in the second sheet is that we've not defined which sheet to actually bring in. We've just said to read this Excel file, and by default, it will always bring in sheet 1, whatever the first sheet is. We can add a slight addition to the end of this code here, put a comma, and then we can type in sheet name equals sheet 1. Okay, hit save on that and just run this code again. And there you go. Still got the sheet 1 data, but now if we change this to sheet 2 and we run the code again, we're now seeing what we have on our second sheet within our Excel file. So essentially, it's actually just 2 lines of code to actually get the data, and the third one just to actually display the data within our output. So it's very simple to do. 3 lines of code, anyone can do that and read any Excel file via Python.